Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to solve some basic examples in binary operation. So we are going to deal with this example here. So the example says the binary operation star is defined on a set of real numbers by a star b is equal to a plus b plus 3. So A star B is equal to A over B plus 3. So that is the rule. And the first question is saying that we should find 4 star 2. So we are going to find 4 star 2. So let's start with our A. So solution. So let's start with A. A wants us to find 4 star 2. So using the rule, we know that A star B is A over B plus 3. So it means that 4 star 2 is going to be 4 over 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 3, giving us 5. And now the next one says that we should find 7 star 3. So for 7 star 3, so we are finding 7 star 3. And the rule says A star B is A over B plus 3. So we are going to get 7 over 3 plus 3. And 7 over 3 plus 3 is the same as 16 over 3. Yes. So it's the same as 16 over 3. So it means that if we do 7 star 3, we are going to get 16 over 3. And now the next question is saying that we should show if the operation is commutative. So we're given, so the B part, let me write it here. We're given A star B to be equal to A over B plus 3. So we want to show if this is commutative. If this is commutative, then means if I do B star A, I have to get, now my A is B, my B is A, so B over A plus 3. But then A over B is not the same as B over A. So let's try and use the previous examples we've used to see. So now this one, we did 7 star 3 and we had 7 over 3 plus 3, which gave us 16 over 3. So now let's do 3 star 7. Now 3 star 7, we are going to get 3 over 7 plus 3, which is equal to 24 over 7. So 24 over 7 and 16 over 3 are not the same. So from this, A over B is not the same as B over A. So it means it's not commutative. And when we use the numbers, we've seen that we are not getting the same result. So this one shows that the operation we're given is not commutative. So that will be it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.